Our partnership with World came when we were considering which machines to purchase, and we were looking at them at different OEMs, which machines we could go for. And we had decided to buy, the CAT machines because we believed that they were more robust and that they were offering more quality.
We went through to other service providers who actually provide the same equipment as CAT and World, and we started doing comparisons and we saw that we are getting much more value and much more benefit at CAT and World.
This 320 GC, we purchased it about 2 months ago. We were initially renting it out, but this is a fixed portion contract, so it made sense for us to actually pay this, then we can just pay it off from the fixed portion, because by just having it here, we get paid a fee for that. In terms of efficiency point of view and productivity, we find these machines very productive. I think it's a good investment for us. And from maintenance perspective, there hasn't been any issues with the machines.
320 is comfortable and is powerful.
The fuel consumption is around about 8.8 on the machines. We're busy monitoring it, and we will see how compare it with the other machines around. The new generation CAT machine, the lifespan of your fuel filters and your oil filters and your oil and stuff you're using in your hydraulic systems, the longer hours it takes to service a machine on site, it's money and it is time, because in this industry everything must be cost effective.
The type of application that we use our medium excavators in is predominantly with attachments, hammers, crusher buckets, even compaction equipment. We've been using the CAT 320 GC since February this year. Generally, the feedback that we've had on the CAT 320 GC has been very good. It seems to be a powerful machine, and I was made aware that it's actually quite quick with the loading applications.
I'm calling the Matlakate Muchino. Nakisulufela gore ba bangwe ba ba o nyaka motšhino ba kana ba o reka ba tlo testa ba o bona gore motšhino o na le matla. Ke thusa pila e thusa ka camera e na le yona motšhino ka gore khona o bona motho la feta ko morago o stopa o bereka a o stopile o bereka o khona o mona o fetile and then o starta o bereka gape. Ke batla ona o nka se shift mo go